What's? Work it, wait back. What's? Work it, wait back.
What up, people? What's going on? It's your boy Pipi Naija, Pipi Lega, aka the man that can't stop and won't stop. Big shout out to the Pigeon radio station, Naija 102.7. Yes, it's the rap Shakabula, and definitely this is where you see the mixture of lingua, the mixture of, people dropping different kind of punchlines, rhymes, and the rest of it. I'm here to support my brothers OTB and Osam. They've been like supporting my brand and also the music from day one, so it feels good to be here. Said we book ball. Came out of the house and trailer came to jam me. I step into the booth and it feels the feet. And when I'm out of the booth, they still feel the feet. Rappers trying to stand, but they fall like toy soldiers. They ain't bad at feel shame and cover fists like Sanjay Rogers. Whoa. Got an attitude, I got a crazy attitude that last them be reading the ball like map latitude. They said it's low key, but me no be flow sick. I'm like the poison to those rats in those seed. They trying to test me, they can't face the shadow. Take the limelight, even in the darkness, I glow. Go hard, man. But I ain't talking high, bro. Holding the house down, super sack. Bago, these rappers are shivering. Almost than they feel cold. I think they need some Chelsea. Ashley Cole, like money Miss Road, there be music Miss Road. I'm not a kega boy, but I got style, if you decode. Waiting with the use chop, you sleep. So they found the boy, I had to class them like a groupie. Yeah. Class him like a groupie. Awesome. Anna Loopy. And my BT Loopy. I just crash BT Snoopy. Damager. Then I damager. Naija Shakabula. So I check him out. Check him. I want the million Delta. Abraka. Chaka.
I believe you.
Yeah, it was fun. I was just, taking my time out. I had I think 16 bars to drop, and hopefully I guess I hit that nail on the head. I had to do the little rhymes I had in the head, and hopefully it came out good. Big shout out to Naija FM. It's your boy Pipi Naija, Pipi Lega, aka the man that can't stop and won't stop. Yes, I'm kind of drowsy. I just had 2 shoots yesterday, so I feel really tired and sleepy. But big shout out to the team, Osam OTB, for supporting the brand Pipi Naija and also for supporting rap music. One, Battle Cry, take it away.
It's about Base One. I rap Aquila Records, you know what it is. I'm here for the rap Shakabula, with Osam,
Quick one, see, be fast bullet, smoking shake or tell the lemu. 5 fingers for anybody, to ballog bemu. Swat, tajaka or ballog bo. Lyrical cutlass, I'm not feel anybody walk bo. Bros and drop shit, one it make cash you, and it to dead dun yat or send it to just you. See, I want to my mic low, I want the camo phone cause flat tire, for Ganaza gone, if I friend phone, one caco be chicken to batty, reminisce, nipa with a tongue rap, be lion to release, swat. So don't be one. See how them they catch code. The more you pull me back, the farther I go to the top. I keep on hustling. Every day I'm pushing. Challenge to me. Now bust off for you, but don't I'm motion. I want to feel me patele. Now I want be my homie. On my tongue, one leg down to Daja me. Cause my hustle every day. More than power me. Beyonce Fefi Jay-Z. Let alone Fedi Yaho me. See, they been none much in Japan. Man, to pass out of point. Marco Jagger to labo. Feel this African I must flow. And I must back my money like a Ghana must. Go.
It's your boy Base One, you're listening to Naija FM. Boom.
Yo, what's up? It's Africa's first Fulani rapper, Drace, and I'm right here. What's up? Yeah, I'm here for the Naija FM local rapper, Shakabula. Yeah, expect the best from the Arewa boy, king of the north. That's what's up.
Man, they fear me like Malam Gobed and Nisa. I drive these haters not like tankers heading to Sambisa. Got delivery, my daily life is of a giver. Speed, no pregnancy, but me, wallahi, I deliver. I do this for the streets, the ones I give them batter, and I do this for the classes of Sujiko King Abacha. I'm what these bloody nose rhyming rappers cannot be. Come and battle me, the Allah run copy can only. Tanta baratara koita datar bata the matara. The hankali suka fara kira name nasara. So I'm trying to run me down, they shouldn't make that effort. I'm still a super fly soldier, Yaron Air Force. Basune dogariba, Sarkina zogariba. I'm fancy flashy, call me Dracos, Drisa no namiba. Some say the Malo boys gay, Bansu Nikechi. Kona basu status dina zasu rikechi. Double fingers in the anybody been su rikichi. I'm all about the mic and stages to kude su nikechi. Lock me up for freezer, I come arrested, drop a hit. Drace is the name. Oh yeah, you know who it is. I said the bars and all others follow. You know who I'm rapping.
All
Yeah,
right.
it's Holo.
The first Fulani rapper for inside Naija. Now I'm going to see just now. I'm not gonna lie, you.
Big shout out to Naija FM. Thursday that just increase the volume of your television set. What's up?
Hello people, my name is T-Rex the Wordsmith. I'm here to do my thing. We're at Rap Shakabula, Naija FM, where we're expecting that bars will be thrown at everybody that puts their ear to the radio or even go online. We're expecting to rip mics. It's going to happen for a long time. As a freestyler, I assure you there's going to be a problem. English, pidgin is all language. I'll do both.
Reminds me of chilling with my chick. I'm talking about the girlfriend, ripping steady. I got the game done and I tell them, messing with the belt trend, your story is going to end. It's real clear. T-Rex is real here. Blasted the assassin, then they will cry tears. Their nightmare is right here. Now I'ma tell them to their face. If they're messing with an MC like me, you got to give me space. Bro, give me your word, let me rhyme with it. Give me your word, let me rhyme with it.
Thank you.
I just ball, treat my stuff like I'm at ball. T-Rex, speak fine, steady dog, and I get more. Spitting 16 like a Christmas hymn. Come through, unleash the steam when the microphone it's in. They say leave more, but nobody's bringing the rhyme. So I clock it like an ammo. Rambo, it's that time, exploding the scene. So that you rhyme with Akara. I'm a rap star with a character. I spit it, but you know they're gonna get the whole grammar. I've never stammer. I gotta spit it steady till the boy gon' hammer. Hit them and cross their head, back down, and then you die now. You're messing with the wrong one. I keep the word strong. T-Rex attacking flows, dog. You get it all wrong. I wish the beats could be pumped up so I could get amped up. It's kind of too low. Kentucky, please put the whole thing up. Let me stay.
Okay, shout out to Naija FM for putting this together. We're here to bring it down. The house is coming down like a Samson. We on this. Stay tuned. Don't lose the dial. We on you.
A bit fresh all day. It's a Daddy X Buster 5-star representing, and we came here for the Rap Shakabula. Came to have fun. Came to play. Do what we know how to do best. Yeah.
I be like Schofield, this rap be like prison. I know say people there for house and they don't they listen. They say this boy they flow, yes he is the ruler. Waiting they come do here, na the Rap Shakabula. Everybody know I be the best man. Pastor don't grab microphone, I just come here to bless man. Yes, if you hating on me, FM, and right now we the chill for Naija FM. First of all, make I say shout out to my disc jockey, yeah. The disc jockey then na DJ Kentucky, yeah. And for this station, my song, and they play me, yo. Shout out to Osam, the tallest man on radio. See, I sick, make una tell me, mele. How they make a big like a jebobele.
I want to say a special shout out and thanks to Naija FM for this opportunity.
My name is Il Bliss. They're friends of the house, so I'm here to support them. Yeah. So from Osam to Ajibo, the entire Naija FM team, yeah, they're very supportive of the music, so we're here to support them.
Okay. Wana nazu genti umye. Onye ọbụla nọchi my money ma shine egbulie mana enwekwa ka ọ dị ọ ga-adịkwa bloody ige izi linen mana aka ga-adịkwa mọdị asa nwere uche mana asa enwekwalụ the body otu ọ dị fagasi na ili akpọba gị ọgwụ na dọdụ ka iligadi dụọ gị ọdụ onye nnupụ isi na gọọmenti egbupịa onye kwuo pim mmanya pịasuo ma calculating like a Casio next vacation my brother Lazio iwe ka na-ewekwa boys with them boys getting money in abundance 20 cars in accordance what. We're just warming up. We're just warming up. Just remind me
what you do for this.
We're just warming up. For
this team.
Okay. Back up put the door from the hinges. Shout out to Mr. Jude the Angels. Let's end this apprentice. Rappers on my dinner plate. After cutlery, I get lifa with my bare hands. Anya nekwe kwa nekwe. Onye nochi anya kwatswo ya na gaga. Iligadi wane isigi batata. Wane flow ga begwe ratatata. Respect the boss, nigga. Oya biko sepulu. Anya change you go the whole game totally. Let the money spin, call where they call brotherly. What?
Hey!
Thank you, my people. Thank you.
What's up, people? My name is Splash Baby, aka Shakabula, and we're here at Naija FM. I mean, we're here to rap, we're here to drop punchlines, we're here to freestyle, we're here to have fun. So I'm here to have fun, basically.
Give respect to whom is due. Makabana rap, one day my fun I called a few. And you deep up for the bia, you can the mother fubi. You can't say I'm lucky up and I'm abo hodube. Oge gerube, so not a go doku begerube. If a mune was if a fumi feda name as if a okwa the same people see na mama buru kita nisim kahane and where's it trans. Kuru, Niro na hosi my fans. One if me help me thank God in advance. Okwa chine me. Do the ring wa biariji. Okwa chine do me.
This is Splash Baby, aka Shakabula, aka Watajenko, aka Onije, and we're here at Naija FM. Keep listening.
Yeah, it's your boy Obatunju Dice, about you nice, ice number 6566, one that of a dice. Man, you know how I do, man. Strictly hip hop stuff, man. It's going down like for real. We're gonna short it down. We're gonna clap them like we got a Shakabula right here, but it was like poof poof.
Indomie 15 era. After the 1-2, go Tyler and ready, check on. The dice, I'm in the building, man. Shout out to Osam, man. I see the boss. I'm going in. One in. See, a man gotta do what a man gotta do. So I'm a Yami Jara, yeah, what we Scooby Doo. Life is too short to sit back and look. Try not to watch it, even if you know no book. Yeah. No let nobody push you to the wall. My download up on the fake clash of don't war. I know you're coming up and you wanna blow like one day. Just keep your head up and you go make it one day.
Yeah, what's up, dog? I go by the name Diggy Dog. The only nigga fizzy on the classic granddaddy. Yeah, you know how it goes, man. When you are classically on point, man, that's why we stand on the wheezy. Too much of ski, we got it. Yeah, we are here, for Shakabula. Naija FM. That's why you can see me. Munyo Fanda, Diggy Dog, the nigga fizzy on point. The only niggas you gotta watch out for. I'm on point, man. You know, this is my time, man.
Baking it, ishing it, wicking it, striking it, shaking it, torrent it. Ha! A rock on the way, kabo, and quick bunny, and quick go. Ha! Or a tell me what's your message. Bien lo serious, let's say, kese. Or Matthew Rato Ferry. Ashibo Shere Larry Mole, Jasigota, Jakata, Bakata, Wakata, Lakata, Ha! Be Jakata, or a Lori Karakata. Motilosi Shita, but to take on Ariova. Ha!
My name is Miss Kiss. I'm a rapper, a singer, and entertainer. You know, I'm all in one. We all so. I think it's really amazing. I think it's like one of the biggest radio show. I think it's a good thing. This is my first time on the show, so I'll be just gonna show myself small. And I think it's really a good deal. Shout out to Sam. Shout out to DJ Kentucky. This is big.
Miss Kiss is here. Abenço. Oya Jebure, Omaro Fewale, Mojuana Low Day, Mojuana Nile, Awani Tenants, Tolela Lot Kuro Nile, Tobashure, Babi Shawn, Toebuale. You ain't from the street, you from me not call. Or just your Tupac, it doesn't make it shot call. Or this show, I'm the host, not me, the hand call. If you is the Philly, if you ain't for the team I came for. Yeah, all boys, she's a boss, she's a killer. Somebody had a ballet, cause she feel like Sakwaba. We don't want to be a mother wow. Ever for me where the body killer Baba Tire. I want to me over Kana, oh my tears, you know, cannot have a while. I'm up with a panic, I'll call my panel. Me also not a passed on to be road. Or just going behind to a salad row. Oh shit, oh yeah, fist from my bed. Oh shit, oh yeah, fist from my bed. Oh shit, oh yeah, fist from my bed. Fist from my bed.
So big shout out to Naija FM. You guys are the bomb. Thank you for supporting Nigerian music. Thank you for supporting the rappers. This is good.
Shout out Naija FM. Thank you for the love. You guys play my music every time. Every time I bring music here, you people welcome me. Anytime I come, I just come here. It's a good day. You people welcome me. Love the vibe. I love the spirit. All the presenters, amazing people. and nothing but love. You guys show me love, so I came to show love too. That's what's up.
Money tree littering, a Benjamins are raking. No small thing, no piggy banking. Salam alaikum, wrist aching. The cash I'm taking got me flexing, but the pot belly's intact. I'm eating, man, I'm getting only GMG bags, no checks, no wire transactions, lying a milli, so I'll be on that money when I'm crashing. I know it when I did it, everybody wanna hear it. Yo, YE, I'm kingin', steady kingin', all these niggas, man, it's real, and it's real.
Yeah, my name is SBK, and I'm at Rap Shakabula, 102.7 FM. Plenty things we're gonna rap, we're gonna bust 16, and you know say no be beans now, but we're gonna do it like it's beans to us, man. That's what we're here to do.
The one that us out, like we were those strangers that came from the south. How could these be that we was bringing them down? They be there in the games. So why do they shiver when they heard that we came? They blocked the gate and have us pushed in the rain, but we stood the pain. And now we back in the fast lane, a threat to the rain. No man is a slave. We all are free born, stolen by the strongest, subjected to hard labor. So why would you be thinking you was doing me a favor?
And I'll do right here. This is a homeboy over eyes of the world. Now do original man. Now do about you. I'm here for Naija FM. Roka rapper, bula right here. It's a freestyle session. No I do. Don't me mention. I stay up in my dues. I work in many shows. When you come there, go original man now. And I was salam alaikum. And I live in a hole. Enemies on my coup. Staying right here.
My name is Mr. Penko. I'm here for the Naija Shakabula, yeah. So I'm here to perform, yeah. Oh my gosh, you can't imagine what you're talking about me. I don't care, yeah. Hana corner, but just nonsense. I can't believe all the tumor for their conscience. Ngabwagi then had to we get along the bush and need the presidency. Manap when I'm George Bush and they cheaters did the battle one but inside the bush. Ebanesa Africa can you say that we push. Oh, shout out to Naija FM, shout out to everybody, shout out to OTB, shout out to all Naija workers here. I'm very happy to be here today. So don't touch that down, you know what I mean?
I'm Negro by the name. Yeah, I'm here for the Shakabula rap battle Naija FM. My name is Negro, me jump on the beat. Me don't care about the people, what the people them have to fit. Me run music, me a boy, me deep on 6 feet. Me no care upon the people, upon the real things. Wagwan, me talk about nothing. See the way them broke about it like the way them sucking. Upon the way me run me test me boy, me say that knocking. Rude boy, say me chop knuckle. Cause I'm reggae upon me yeah, and they sing upon me face. Jump on the beat, me no care what about they say. Rude boy Negro, respect for Naija FM.
I'm here for the rap Shakabula. My name is AK Show. Money making guys, money is the big boy. Guys are not smart. Money rules the world, my whole world. Money is my escalate, my brown. If you ask, small money, good cash, you might in $1 billion. Universal say, I'm going to Dallas. I want my money, $150. She said, talk to me. Shout out to Naija FM. Shout out to staff of Naija FM. Shout out to Ajabo.
Hey yo, what up, Naija FM? What up, 102.7? It's your boy K to the L to the KLD. I'm here for Naija FM Rap Shakabula 2016. Multi-law physical, multi-law spiritual. Lower Timo Wai, Omomole Bao Kuja. You can call me Abija. I go be a soldier, mentally handicapped. I'm going local, medical. Make your mind the way you talk, else you go chop knuckle. No matter how you try to do good, them go surely talk. Agbeni Koshi, yes, I break your head with coke bottle. But I'm a peace later, see you later, chop knuckle. I'm a peacemaker, see you later, chop knuckle. Yeah, shout out to everyone present here in Naija FM 102.7 Rap Shakabula. You know, you're welcome. I remain your boy, KLD.
See, rapper not the maintain position. No. Go on. My name is Achebo. I know the chop Elubo. See, you know, this is Naija FM Rap Shakabula. So every question I answer here, I'll answer it with rap, with rhyme. You understand? And then this rhyme, you know, we're rappers. You understand? Super rappers. So we reason on high frequency. So just as you listen, may you be blessed. Amen. Go on. What am I here for? I don't tell you now. What am I here for? I've told you what I'm here for. Do you want to chop F for? No. So therefore, it's Naija FM Rap Shakabula. 444. Great. The show has been great so far. I'm not getting rap for far. Some of y'all continue. Understand? Yeah, it's great so far. Even afar rap for inside. In fact, Jokwaha how far? You understand? It's been nice. Different rappers. So many talented people coming through from their house way far. You understand? And they've been coming in, and they. Hey, oh, can you let me rap my rap? This boy he think he's a rapper, but what he raps is moi moi. You understand? And leave. Moving on. I had a lot of them that really showed me. Bliss was great. It was super great. We also had Bason was really good. Splash was good. A lot of them were really good. A lot of them wowed me. I was wild. I'm so wild. I'm still wild. Oh my wow. Wow. Big shout out to Naija FM. My name is Ajabo, the fresh boy of Naija FM representative. I am the soft comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Fresh. Don't touch that. I'm a rap man. See, take it. Let me give you the rap. See, I was okay. Are you ready? Let's do this. Now see. I just drink water. I come.
Make it there. I was born to do this like I'm a rapper. No gangster flow. I flow flip flop like I'm Taka. Undertaker. Asamacadim. Yeah, daddy. All right, stop recording. It's your boy Ush. We're standing flaming. We're buzzing. Shayo in the hand and we okay. Drink a shayo in the hand and we shayo like with Asamacadim. Yeah, daddy. Keep it real. It's your boy Ush. Naija FM rap Shakabula.
Hey yo, what's up, people? It's the one and only boy Chicks. I'm already with the 87 swags right here at Naija 102.7 FM for the rap Shakabula. Ready to murder things. You know how we do. Shit, I already. So for what we moti day. Omo washe orishe. Mofe go me today. What's up, people? It's the one and only boy Chicks. I am murder with the 87 swags. Keep watching Naija 102.7 FM.
Yeah, what up, people? Yeah, this Emian aka bunch of keys. Chilling with my niggas at Naija FM tonight. The baddest MC alive, DJ MC Osam, and my nigga here too fine. So we got a lot of things to do tonight. So you understand what I'm talking about? Yeah. If you haven't heard of me, got no keys. Yeah. I'm here for the rap Shakabula. Yeah. I'm gonna give you some rap today. We're gonna have sense of Balakula. Yeah. We don't speak too much. We're gonna go like flow like anaconda. Yeah, you don't drive too much. Yeah, have you ever seen a Honda? Okay, people, what up? Oh yeah, a big loud shout to Naija FM. This is Emian KK, bunch of keys. If you haven't heard of me, you got no keys, yeah. So shout out to your my niggas, yeah, people. What up? Boom! Rap Shakabula.
It's your boy AO, aka your girl's favorite African. What's going on? I'm here. We're here for Naija FM Shakabula, so come give them some Shakabula and leave with some Shakabula if possible, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm on energy. That's what I'm here for. You guys bring the energy. Every time we come with the energy. So that's what they know me for. So that's what I give them. You know what I mean? They don't call me machine for nothing. So you guys just expect that, yeah? All heavy. Freestyle. Let's say, I said, sure you know Alamon no be rose. Bad boy, I turn water into more waves. She ain't got no Shakabula. We tell her go away. It's not dirty money, but you know we throw away. Yeah, it's your boy Ayo, man. Your girl's favorite Africa. More to come, though. Yeah. Oh, Naija FM. Shout out to you, my family, all day, every day, all right? Don't ever touch that dial when you hear that station. Ayo.
Okay, I go by the name KLAC Kalak. I came here for the Naija FM Shakabula. So more than not just to leave the beats. Okay. K-A-L, K to the A to the L to the A to the C. Ra. Fresh boy rapping. Surely if you're in your langba, she ego. You don't see that the show you say the bad pong. Ha. Give us the way. We've been in the street for long. No story for the streets. You gotta get the street OT. See, she to baba fi bab never. She if you do that same thing, never. She if you run the one thing, never. So you guys keep on to the stage where you fish run to. So your cloth according to your side, Show your cloth according to your side, okay. Show if you're in your langba, she ego, she blind man, fish shoot video. You don't see deaf man where they receive call, I been a handicap where they claim finest. Clear. Shout out to Naija FM.
So that show is the bomb. And of course, you know how it goes. We at the station put the show together, and we don't say the thing goes set. The idea is to just bring all the rappers together to come showcase some kind of creativity, that kind of talent, where they do that stuff. And a lot of them prove that not all rappers rap the same, not all rappers have the same kind of flow, but everything is under hip hop. And tonight's show actually proved that, because we had more people that didn't come last year that came this year, and they proved just that they can rap. Well, actually, let me not lie. I'm a rap enthusiast. I would definitely say that Miss Kiss actually gave me a flow that I know how it is about. And of course, I'll talk about T-Rex that actually gave me a flow. And Base One actually gave me the flow that I was looking for. And these are people who actually rapped in three different methods, three different levels, and three different pedestal of creativity. And those people, they try well. Well, the tournament was just normal, as in it says, Naija FM will grab all the big ones, and they all came and they actually rallied around and they supported us. And we're really very grateful to all the rap artists that actually took their from time off from their busy schedules and they came here to actually give us some kind levels or some 16 bars of rap. It makes sense that for example today, I'm not gonna lie you, come up on there. Yes, Olamide, like I said, I was trying to explain, but you can't just explain to everybody. This is summer. A lot of them actually have gigs, parties that shows, concerts that they have to go to, and they might just tell them in the or not in the nick of time or just before the time that they're slotted into Compo this July 22nd show. Olamide is not in the country, Fino is not in the country, Vector is out of Lagos, and some other people that have actually come in. Even Rugged Man just sent me a text right now that he was indisposed, and so many other people like that. But at least most of them that actually came to show love today, I appreciate that, and we know that yes, there's many more Rap Shakabula is yet to come. Yeah, step by step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step, and of course we've done 2 steps, 2015, 2016. The idea is that it is strictly rap. We had like over 30 rappers on the mic today in the studio, and you can imagine we take that to a beautiful concert venue. We'll be able to have strictly hip-hop fans to come and watch strictly rap artists giving out their best creative lyrics and vibes, and that's when they're busting out on stage. I think that's what the whole thing is all about. It's a step-by-step movement. The movement has begun. Well, it's the music industry is always on the move, but the thing is that I will not lie to you, you have to separate the wheat from the chaff. Of course, what I'm talking about is that not all of them that actually came, especially the ones we gave, the up and coming, they didn't really have that bite that I expected them to have. When you're a natural rapper, you're a natural rapper. Any beat that is given to you, if you're a natural rapper, you can move towards it. A few of them actually just didn't mind the kind of beat given to them, but they actually flowed through that particular beat with their 16 bars and they rapped well. So it's a 50-50 thing.